Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix payment method failed or payment failed on Bet365. Now if you are trying to withdraw or deposit certain amount on Bet365 and you are facing the issue of payment method failed, then you need to simply watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to fix those type of error, make sure that you have connected to Wi-Fi or a kind of strong data on a device. To check, you may simply scroll from the top right hand side and see if you are connected with Wi-Fi or not. After that, you may simply try it again, and if it helps, then that's good. If that doesn't, then you may simply turn on the airplane mode for one. Now it helps you to restore the network settings and all for the Wi-Fi or the data which you have connected. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you need to simply open settings on a device, and under settings you'll see the option of general. So click on it. So under general you'll see the option like about, software update, or iPhone storage. So click on the option of iPhone storage, and under iPhone storage you need to scroll down until you see the option of Bet365. So click on the option of Bet365, and here you'll see the option of offload app or delete app. So click on the option of offload app. So by offloading the app, it will help you to fix the errors or the problems which are occurring on your app. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the payment method failed on your Bet365. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.